Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing a GoPro Hero 8 Plus. As you can see, you can have a 360 view of the camera before you open it. And on the side are the items that should be coming with it. And the opposite side are the features of the camera. I'm so excited about being able to live stream on 1080 and also the hyper smooth 2.0. And with that, we start unboxing this one. As I can remember from my Hero 3, this is the same box. You just pull the contents like so. We'll get rid of this camera, put it on the side. And we'll see what we got here. We got some paperwork, some quick startup instructions, things to contact, a couple stickers. Well, this is manual with different languages. We got here is the USB-C, which I believe is a new upgrade for Hero 8 compared to the previous editions. A curved surface sticky, as you can see. And we have the battery. Checking online, the best thing to differentiate Hero 8 battery from the previous edition is the blue color. And they're saying that this battery will work up to Hero 5. And I think that's all we got. And make sure that you don't get rid of this. You can use this as a table, a counter mount to give you a flat surface. So don't get rid of this. Having a hard time with this one. There you go. And after a few seconds of struggle, well, we'll put this on the side, and we'll compare our Hero 8 with the old Hero 3. So as you can imagine that we're ready for some upgrade. So if you put it side by side, you can tell the big difference. And you can see how much taller and wider and thicker Hero 8 is. Hero 8 has its own built-in monitor. Wow, Hero 3 is just nothing. You can use your phone using the app if you want, or just shoot blank and then hoping that you get all the footage inside the viewfinder. So, but this is pretty much a unboxing of a new Hero 8 Black. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try in a couple days, or perhaps tomorrow, and we'll update the channel of the first video that was shot with this new camera. And the main thing too is it has its clip right here, and don't worry about if you break this mount. It has the 2 screws there. I don't know if you could see, there's 2 screws in there where you could replace it. So here's a short comparison between the Hero 3 Plus Silver and Hero 8 Black. So we start with the 4K frame per second. It's not even available on Hero 3. And we move along. And as we go down on the frame per second, the last 2 is non-applicable for Hero 8. The megapixels for taking photos, the approximate battery life, cost of the camera, and equivalent to peso. The conversion rate is 85.55 to $1. So as you can see, the upgrade is long overdue. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.